Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be doing a kind of 15,000 subscribers special with an unboxing of 30 products, believe it or not. So obviously I've just said, including the title, we've surpassed 15,000 subscribers, which is absolutely ridiculous. So a big thank you to everyone that supported the channel this far, people that view, comment, subscribe, sharing as well. A lot of people share stuff, like my friends as well have been sharing a lot of stuff recently, so big thank you to everyone that's been doing it. So I've got a few topics I want to cover off in this video. First and foremost, to see how everyone's doing. Let's have a little discussion. I'll get a little discussion going down in the chat. Let me know how you're doing. Hope everyone's keeping well as well, because we're still in the midst of a worldwide virus, so obviously it's been quite a hard time for everyone, and it just happens that I'm recording this in Mental Health Awareness Month as well, so I think everyone's had some kind of impact to mental health. Hope everyone is doing well. Take care of each other, and stay safe, and never be afraid to reach out for help if you need it. So other things I want to cover in this video, you may have noticed the videos have been a bit more frequent recently. A big thanks to Corsair for part of that, because I've had 3 different NDA videos that have been within the space of a week and a half. So actually one of the products is just above my head there on the shelf, the guitar mouse. So yeah, we've had 3 videos from them, which has been good, because it's given me a deadline to work to, so it's kind of really made me shift into gear. What else have we done? We've done the Happy Hacking keyboard. That was a bit of a mixed bag on that one. We did the Guitar Pro, we did the K60 Pro, the HS60 headset, and this is going to be a special bonus Saturday video. Tuesday I'm going to do some kind of review, and then the Thursday there's going to be a video as well. So all very busy, and it's not looking to be stopping anytime soon, which is good, because I've been trying to get my consistency up for the longest time. So these deadlines have really helped me kind of get to that, and now I've kind of started the snowball effect. I don't want it to stop. So yes, so thank you everyone that's been watching. The views have been really good recently as well, and we just appreciate everyone's support. So yeah, I'm actually filming this video later than I planned to. I've actually we're on about 15,050 subs now. It's just purely because of the NDA videos that I've been doing have been, you know, on certain times, and I've wanted to give a bit of breathing room for each video before I put another one up. So this is why this is going to be 2 days after the last one. Yeah, so Tuesday, Thursday, or Tuesday and Friday are going to be the kind of video days. I think it works quite well. Doing a video on Monday is difficult, because if I was to finish one on a Friday, I then have to get in here Monday and then get a video out that day, which is quite difficult. So I think Tuesday would work well, and then Thursday or Friday. If I do a Tuesday and a Thursday, and I've got something like an unboxing time like we're doing today, I'll put it in the Saturday as a bonus video, rather than taking up one of the dedicated kind of review spaces. And I think when I haven't got an NDA video, for example, all the Corsair stuff went live at 2 o'clock. When I've got another video that's not under an NDA that can go out at 6 o'clock, that also makes it a little bit easier, because it allows some, me more time to do things as well. So it's quite a bit of a rush to get it ready for 2 o'clock on some occasions, depending on when I receive the product and what I've been doing before it. But having the ability to release a video at 6 is a lot easier. So I think, yeah, Monday is a no-go for videos, but I think Tuesday and Thursday is a good time period, because it's quite a lot of work. So yeah, but that's the video plans and what's been going on recently. I just hope everyone's been enjoying the content. So I've covered everything I think I wanted to talk about. Just a big thank you, really. So let's get into this stuff here. So when I said there's 30 products, it's technically true, there's 30 different SKUs, but you'll see what I mean when we get into the boxes. So this is all from Glid Solutions. They've actually opened their store today, actually. had the press release about it this morning, where you can get all the stuff that's in these boxes, and you can even get a 15% discount, I think, as well. I'll leave a thing in the description if there's anything you want to pick up. But yeah, they sent me a range of things. I initially asked to look at one of the cases, but it wasn't available, so I asked if they were up for sending quite a vast range of things to cover off in different videos. So we'll be using this in any builds and budget builds and stuff like that. So it's not all going to go into one video, it's all going to be spaced apart. But I thought it would be good to unbox because there's so much stuff in these boxes. So let's get into it. So this one, I know what's in them all. Well, kind of actually no. So when they sent the list of what was included, they sent all the SKUs, and I couldn't work out a couple of them. So there will be a few mystery ones. So there we go. Oh, well, good job. So we have some cable extensions. These are sleeve cables. They're all individually packaged, which gives you a bit of a hint what I was talking about with the different SKUs, because we've got a white, black, red, and a blue. And now that should give you a bit more of an idea of the 30 SKUs I mentioned. So we have these look to be the 6 pins, and then we have that set again in the 8 pins. So these are either going to be for, so we've got a 6 and an 8 for graphics cards. Oh, a lanyard, very nice. Don't know if the camera will pick that up. Some shades. Okay, we've got to put these on. These are like the ones you'd wear to a festival. I can't see anything because I'm blind as a bat, but we'll use this as a thumbnail. I can see again, that's better. What we got here? Some pens, these square pens. We've got like a grippy texture to them. Yeah, some pens. So some bonus items. Last but not least, in this box we have 2 Stella. She goes out with her mate Stella. Anyone remember that song? They're of my generation. We have these Rgb Fans. There's 2 in this box, and there's actually 4 more in these other boxes. So we've got 6 of these, because that's generally the amount of fans that a case takes nowadays. But these have got 24 ARGB LEDs in each one, dual ring lighting, airflow optimized, noiseless motor, double bearings, 500 to 1600 RPM, and addressable RGB. Always cut towards yourself. Terrible advice. Okay, so in this one, there we go. There's 2 more of the fans. The Phantom Black cooler. This is gunmetal variant. They also do one that's black fans with the silver, I believe, but this is the gunmetal with white fans. The naming convention is a little bit strange, but considering it's got white fans, it's called Phantom Black, but it's actually gunmetal. We're not really quite sure, but so this is compatible with everything pretty much. So 775, 3066, 1150, 1151, 1156, 2011, also 1200, the new socket, AMD 2, 2 plus, 3, 3 plus, AMD 4, FM1, FM2, so pretty much everything. Gonna do 20, did I say 2011? Yeah, gonna do 2011. So yeah, this is actually quite affordable as well. It's about $30, so not too bad. So we'll be featuring that in probably one of the budget builds. This is the big one in terms of quantity of stuff. Such a weird angle to cut. Okay, so here's our other 2 fans. Okay, so Right, hang on. When I said about the skews, this is what I meant. So I asked Glid for 2 of each of the 6+2 because then that covers pretty much every situation. So we've got the 6s, but we can use the 6+2 if we have, you know, 2 8s like a 2080 Ti or anything like that, or we need a combination of a 6 and an 8. That gives us every option. So as you can see, 2 of each colour. So we've got the red, 2 white, 2 black, and then we've got our 24 pins in blue, black, white, and red. So that's, you see the amount of this just stacked up on the desk, it's ridiculous. Some thermal compounds. I'm quite a collector of thermal compounds. It's quite nice to just have a different range though, I find, because then if, for example, we do testing in the future and someone says, oh, what do you get, you know, what results do you get when you use this thermal paste, we can be like, right, let's just swap it over and we'll find out. So this is the GC Extreme 1 gram version, and it does come with a little nozzle so you can help spread it out quite evenly and thin. That's quite a thin syringe for that one. That obviously will go on the end when you squeeze it out. And then we have the 3 gram variant as well, 3.5 gram variant. Comes in a nice little packet. There's some results to competitive products on the bag as well. So MX2 from Arctic Silver 5, which is what I used in this PC when I built that in 2010. Zalman generic thermal paste, so about 3 degrees cooler than MX2. Claimed, obviously we'll have to find out. So then we've got 3.5. And there's also one of the spreading nozzles for that as well. Last but not least, oh crikey, oh this is just chaos. We have a bundle, like a literal bundle of thermal pads, obviously different sizes, and then we have, so for example, this one, which is the millimeter, and then we have the 0.5 millimeter thickness and 1.5. So actually, if we put them in order, so we've got the 0.5, the 1 millimeter, the 2, and there's also a 3 millimeter thickness as well. And then we have the bigger ones, which I believe are for graphics cards. The left one is 90 by 50, and then the M1 is 120 by 20. So all different thicknesses of thermal pads. So I'm going to leave this video here, otherwise the video is going to be majorly long. I've just hit the 30-minute recording limit on my camera anyway, so I'm going to have to heavily edit this one. But a big thank you for Glid for sending this out for me to look at. We'll be featuring this stuff in future videos, so stay tuned for that. And just basically a big thank you to everyone that's subscribed and shared and liked the videos, commented. All of that stuff does really help, probably more than you think it does as well. So thank you to everyone that's just supported me this far, and we're going to carry on. Consistency is getting there for the videos. As I say to people that ask me for advice, consistency is king. So yeah, we're going to try and keep this train rolling and keep bringing you guys more content, a little bit more finesse and a bit more produced than this kind of video. But this is a nice little bonus one for anyone that likes this kind of stuff, I guess. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you for Glid for sending this out for me to review. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.